Good evening, everybody. It's going to be the last two spinners. It's 10 at 2. Top spot gets choice. Spot 10 gets the last one. We'll copy our list. Going live. We're live at 6:04. 6:04. We're going to paste our list. We got 10 items on our list. We're going to roll the dice, needle 4 or higher. 6:04. Got an 11. 6:04, 11 times. Here we go. That's 1. Still got 10 items on our list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the 10 times, still got 10 items on our list. Dice calls for 11. We got Deborah on top. Florence on the bottom. We'll roll for our final time at 6:05. Good luck, everybody. Spot 1 and spot 10. Spot 1, Paul Bruce. Spot 10, Tara Roberts. Congratulations. Here's our verification code. It's 6:05. We are done. We're done at 6:05. 6:05.